Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. In my videos, I do share how easy it is to prepare some delicious food for family and friends. My videos are usually around 10 minutes long. And overall, the prep time is less than 1 hour. The goal is to eat healthy and with a variety of dishes. In the today episode, I'm going to prepare oven-baked marinated shrimps and a mix ingredients cabbage salad. I'm preparing these dishes simultaneously and will share one at a time. The main dish will be pasta, but I'm not going to talk about that. After washing and cleaning the shrimps, we are going to prepare them for marinating. For that we are going to use melted butter, fresh lemon juice, salt, oregano, black pepper, and some fresh garlic. If you do not like any of the topics listed, you feel free to skip that or add one of your favorite ones. We are going to mix all the ingredients together, and then pour on the mix into a bucket with the shrimps. We'll mix well all together, to make sure that the shrimps are well covered with the mixture. After mixing well, we will lay all the shrimps in an oven-friendly plate. Please make sure that the plate is safe to be used in the oven. We will put in oven for around 20 minutes. And the oven temperature should be around 400°F. By the time that the shrimps are in the oven, I am going to prepare a very tasty salad. In the today's salad, we are going to use fresh cabbage, onions, orange, and marinated olives. If you didn't have the chance yet to see how I have prepared the olives, please visit my channel. I promise that you will like that video as well. I have run out of fresh lemons, so for the salad I will use some lemon juice concentrate. We'll add salt and olive oil. Olives, lemons, oregano are very common in my kitchen. Beside the taste, they are fresh and powerful antioxidants. I do highly recommend to add to your diet. The shrimps are ready. We'll put them in a cold plate carefully. Please make sure to not touch bare hand the hot plate. The shrimps look very yummy. We'll serve the main course in plate. Today we are enjoying pasta in red sauce. Together with the shrimps and the salad, the lunch will be served shortly. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.